Yummy. Yummy.
Ellie girl, you're eating. Mmm.
Yummies.
How does it taste, sweetheart?
She said yes?
Yes.
She likes it?
Yes.
You want to come tell her good job, bud?
Good job, Bell Bells.
Carter, how you doing, bud?
Good.
That's good.
Cheese.
What's... Got it. Wow.
That was a good cheese.
What's Elbel doing?
Eating.
What is she eating?
Eating. French fries.
Rice cereal.
Like cereal.
How you been doing, bud?
Good.
Good. What's new?
Toys.
Toys are new. Yeah. Nice.
Good girl. You want more?
Mmm,
You want
Ellie.
more?
Yummies. Yummies. Hi, sweetheart. You eating? Mmm.
This is good, isn't it, Elbel? She's like hunched over.